in this match. And ito, Kainglet starting to feel the crowd erupting with each and every point and there.
Back set. Hervasio with a facial on Maraño. And a back set. And Lasal does it.
Dati pa ako nanonood ng Ateneo Lasal games eh. Tapos, nung first year ko, nakakalaban ko na sila Ate Abby Maraño, gano'n sila Aragalang. Sa Lasal, sila Ate Ila, sila Ate Cha, yun na yung mga napapanood ko nun eh.
Gumabaw was one of them. She was such a great blocker.
Si Ate Mel Gohing, hindi talaga siya titigil hanggat di niya natataas yung bola.
Nagagalingan talaga ako kay Ella De Jesus dati. Tapos si Eliza Valdez and of course, Denise Lazaro and Jan Ferrer.
Actually, sobrang hindi ko in-expect na one day magiging part ako ng isa sa school na yun.
When I was in high school pa, I'm from LaSalle, so I couldn't even imagine myself playing for Ateneo that time. But then when my sister got into Ateneo, dun na.
My whole family came from LaSalle, so I was a huge fan of LaSalle. But I think I really belong more to Ateneo.
Kapag Ateneo Lasal, parang sobrang ayaw magpatalo sa isa't isa.
Iba eh. Iba talaga siya from other games. Ubusan yung tickets.
Siyempre yung rivalry nandun. Ang sarap sa feeling na naglalaro ka for the pride of the school.
Siyempre, you get the most experience when you go up the best teams.
Sobrang hindi ako makapaniwala na ganun kadami yung sumusuporta and nanonood sa sport na volleyball.
Papasok ka pa lang ng court, nag-cheer na sila for you, nag-warm up pa lang. Parang mas excited pa sila minsan. Masaya kasi kapag kunwari papatahimik mo yung crowd ng kabila kasi nananalo ka. For me, yun yung pinakamasarap na feeling.
When you're outside, parang paano nakakalaro yung iba na sobrang ingay nila. Pero when you're in the court, you don't really think about the outside, the fans. Kasi you want to concentrate on getting the point.
Iba yung thrill pag naglalaro against sa Ateneo kasi nandun yung audience, mas intense siya. So, mas nakaka-excite maglaro.
Like, I would remember everything.
Ateneo Lasal, it's more than just a game for all of us. It's exciting, it's the best, and I'm so glad to be part of it.